Right now, Indonesia is running a squadron-sized procurement to acquire a new aircraft to replace its existing F-5s. And there are two aspects to this acquisition program. Obviously, one is the aircraft, and we clearly have the best solution for Indonesia with the Gripen. We have the most effective, most affordable aircraft for the modernization of Indonesia's future air power. The aircraft is a given, but also there's a very important industrial component to all of this. Indonesia has set out some very clear requirements about what it wants from future defense acquisition. There's a law here known as Law 16, which has very high demands for industrial cooperation and technology transfer. And whoever is successful in this fighter procurement will have to deliver quite a lot back into Indonesia in terms of jobs and skills and investment and return on investment. And obviously that's the Saab model. We've proven very successful at doing this with Gripen in Brazil and other places, and we totally stand by the aspirations of the president here, who has talked about reforming the way Indonesia does business and does acquisitions to try and work with international partners to build new industrial capabilities in Indonesia for the future. And those are the two parts of our bid. First of all, it's the aircraft, but then it's the industrial cooperation and technology transfer into Indonesia that will come with it to make a better, stronger industry here for the future.
And that is the Gripen C that we're going to see a test pilot fly and talk about?
The aircraft that we're talking to Indonesia today about is Gripen C, the latest version of Gripen C, the MS-20 we call it in Sweden. You can think of it as the Block 20. That's a major capability upgrade for the aircraft. It puts the Meteor missile into service. It's there in Swedish Air Force service already today, the only aircraft, the only Air Force to have that capability, and that revolutionizes air combat. Also, Indonesia needs key capabilities that Gripen has, like maritime strike and precision close air support, plus reconnaissance. It needs a true multi-role aircraft, and Gripen obviously can deliver that. Indonesia needs rapid delivery, and we have a very advanced aircraft in production and available now. That's another important factor in the decision for replacing the F-5s here. How quickly can the competitors respond? And we know that we can respond with the right number of aircraft very quickly.